Mic test. Mic test. Oh, it's good. What's going on, y'all? Happy Monday. It's a new trading week. I hope y'all had an awesome weekend. It's no noise. I'm Z Rex. It is August 14th, about 10:30 in the AM. Let's see if we got any new price action to talk about. What's going on, Casey Lewis? Hi, howdy. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and just scroll down, see if we see anything kind of cool. Hey, 2% on the total market cap. I mean, that's kind of cool for bulls. A little gappy jump after some vol flash on total market cap. That's kind of crazy. Let's see here. Let me know if I got some streaming problems. They were having some internet issues over here too. It looks like it's okay for now, but hey, you pay $120 a month for gig service and it kind of works. I guess that's good. So that's nice little jump up. I like that, right? Where this 21's meeting the 55 curling up. That's pretty good for the bulls. See if anything else stands out. No, not really. V-chain trying to do some things. Some V-chain things. Nothing really going on. Market's kind of flat today. NASDAQ's up a little 6.8, but nothing too crazy. Kind of a boring day, really. Overall, lots of 0.5% kind of moves. So nothing too crazy. Let's take a little bit deeper dive here and see what we got. What is the market delivering today? Let's jump out to the weekly. Let's go to, spot price, because we did get the weekly close yesterday. Yeah, pretty bullshit candle right there. I mean, it looks almost exactly like 2 weeks ago, so that's whatever. Nothing really new for data wise there. This is new. We're getting a weekly flash on Ethereum. Okay, that's probably the first one ever. Yes, it is. Although to be fair, it's only been populated since July of 22. It needed all this data to start doing this indicator, but let's go to Bitcoin, see how many times we've gotten a weekly vol flash on there, because that will have a little bit mo. We haven't even had that. Wow. So let's just further add to the compression narrative here. And, you can see that clearly on the chart that, looking left, we've been in pretty much a 8% range with two little outliers since early March. Wow. So you think about that. That's literally a good chunk of the year. And even if you go before that, there's lots of business kind of just below that before, the last summer's kind of watch the F out move. But yeah, man, this is pretty interesting. The compression just keeps building and building. That just adds more to the narrative that the move coming out of this is going to be gigantic. Oh man, I can't wait. Hopefully, it's to the upside, but you never know. Anything can happen. Again, the volatility, historical vol is a directionless indicator. So let's go look at the hash ribbon chart real quick before I forget. Do we have a reprinted buy signal? Oh, we do. We were talking about this last week, y'all. Oh, snap. All right, so this is actually a pretty big deal. I do put a pretty good weight on this signal. I think it's only been wrong one time, which I believe was was last summer. Yeah, right here. This was the only time it failed. Now, overall, was this good accumulation zone? Yeah, it definitely was. We were talking about that on the stream back in the day. But anyway, that doesn't matter. That's so far long ago. But this is actually a pretty big deal. I do like this. I didn't think we would get it today or this week. It looks like it printed on Saturday. Yeah, it printed on Saturday. So we do have a buy signal, rebuy signal on the Bitcoin. So man, that is pretty cool. That actually is another little point for the bulls outside of just basic structure of being over the 21 weekly moving average, which is this yellow line right here. Looks really good. I mean, I don't have any issues. There's not really much difference except for that indicator right here. This is actually a pretty big deal. But outside of that, everything kind of is just lollygagging the same. I mean, the EMAs are just barely opening up here. They're all sloped up, so we do have upward slope on the weeklies for everything now. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. Same with the futures. Same. Well, GBTC doesn't look as good. Really would like to see GBTC get over this 2150 level, and I'm going to add an alert on that because I want to know when that happens because I don't always flip through that one. Oh, let's see. Not so sloped up as Bitcoin. We're pretty much dead ass sideways, which would add to this vol signal on a weekly. That's crazy. That ETH did the vol signal on a weekly before Bitcoin did. But I guess, this price action is mega uber compressed. You can see it's just riding too on this little area and the previous high before the attempt for the bulls to have continuation. So very big contention area. Nothing's really changed with the major numbers. Pretty much about 1820 and 1800 flat, like shorter term. And then the long term is about 17.5 and about 2K. So if we can see over that 2K, man, I would be looking for this thing to probably run up to about 2,400. I almost said 24,000, but we know it ain't gonna do that anytime soon. Ethereum at 24K sounds really crazy. Could it happen? Yeah, I mean, anything can happen. Is it likely? I don't think so. I would kind of be nervous or scared about what else is happening in the world if that was the case. All right, let's see. So Bitcoin bouncing nicely here with the buy signal. That's very interesting. We saw that. We mentioned that last week, and it has printed, and that is really giving me a lot more. What the shit, Spectrum? All right, I got disconnected a second ago. I'm just going to wait a minute for people to rejoin. I don't know what's happening. Such BS, dude. Jesus Christ. Cheese and rice, man. What the hell? What is this garbage? Well, I don't know. Okay, it looks like it's stabilizing. I don't know what the hell's happening. Fucking Spectrum, dude. All right. Looks like we're back online connected. Yeah. Sorry about that. I don't have any control over stupid spectrum. We're just going to keep running through it here. Hopefully it doesn't chop up too much. So I think that's enough about Bitcoin. It's the same shit. As long as it's holding about 28,000, it's fine. It really needs to get back above the 31K level. All right, let's go to Charlie Lee. What is Charlie doing? Not anything. He is just going sideways. Yeah, pretty lackluster. We did get a vol flash printing yesterday. Interesting, dude. They continue. The vol flashes continue to print everywhere. They are really just sprinkled all over the place now. So, god dang, man. Ooh, get ready to put your seatbelt on whenever this shit starts moving. Damn, here's another one on the weekend, on Saturday, that got printed up. Because whenever this bitch finally goes, it's going to go hard in the paint, if you will. All right, let's see. TRX, also another one. Look at that. They are just getting sprinkly. Sprinkle Nation. There's another one. Dot. It got 2 over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. My Lord. They are just literally going everywhere. Oh, lovely print over here by Chainlink. I like this a lot right here. Very nice. I guess I didn't really go into detail about these, but there's not really much to change from the last videos. Just with the structure here, it looks okay. Kind of on the edge, if you will, but really needs to get back above the 14.5 penny level. XRP is just hovering right over here, 55. Really would like to see it get back over 65. This starts getting comfy back above 65, though. I would not be surprised for some nice continuation. Yeah, I'm going to try to do a quicker video. I'm a little bit under the weather today. I had a pretty nasty stomach bug. That was not fun. Not fun. My friend said it's going around a lot, so maybe wash your hands a little more than you normally would. Let's see what this trend line is real quick. We can just get rid of this one because that's a moot point. Oh, yeah, look at that. So we got by the end of August, it's meeting that trend line. Very nice. Oh, all right. Where else? Where did I leave off here? Oh, look at this. Tron, also vol flashing. Dot, we got the double vol flash. Oh, my God. This internet connection, bro. This is terrible internet today. All these damn people moving here are clogging up the interwebs, man. All right. ADA is kind of in the same boat, man. Most everything just went sideways as hell through the weekend, hence getting all those vol flashes. I think the best thing right now for market, and especially the bulls and any kind of new info, would be the vol. I'm sorry. Let me back up. Would be this signal here, the hash ribbon buy signal. All right, let's see. Linky Poo. Link actually looks pretty good. I like this reaction off the 21. I like all the EMA stacked here. This is probably, since back over here in early April, this is actually the best looking setup for some continuation. And that would be busted if we lost 6.9, 690. Of course it's 690. What else would it be? So as long as it's above there, it's looking pretty damn sexy. Also, if it did just keep not making another higher high here and just kind of like petered out and then kept visiting lower, that would kind of be shitty. But really, ultimately, the 6.9 is the level. Really would love to see the bulls get over 7.69. Of course, 7.69. That would be very nice. All right, let's see. EOS can't get more sideways. Another vol flash. BCH getting squeezed like a mofo. Still looks fine above about 210. No worries there. Wow, could this be more? I'm surprised there's no vol flash on here. If this price doesn't move in the next probably 2 or 3 days, we will likely get said vol flash. XMR. Ooh, look at this. Open and close below Z box or Z line at about 158. Bears tried to push through again the next day. Were unsuccessful on Friday. And then on the weekend, XMR actually did a little slight recovery back above 158. That's actually pretty interesting. Let's zoom in a tad. Gonna get a little bit more granular here. Hey, the bulls are trying to reject price there. That's actually pretty good. I like that. And as long as they stay above this swing low, this could be just a retest of all of this price action and getting back into the low 160s. This could look really damn good. Ooh, UBS. Oh yeah. Daily chart. Let's go check it out here in a second. Appreciate the contribution. Look at this. More vol flashes, double vol flash. Right off of this, we already getting a little bit of follow through on Sunday. It's up 2.69% because it can only be 6.9. It's the only way. Very nice. I like this defense by the Bulls so far. It looks like we're kind of getting that same behavior over this weekend. Look at that, though. Descending triangle. That's the worst part about that formation. Dash. Yeah, pretty nothing. It already had its vol flashes about a week ago. It had a little bit of a pump out of it, which technically did get price action above this little local range. So I guess it's okay, but, Dash has just looked pretty shitty for a while. For the privacy coins. No one really cares about the privacy coins now. All right. Doge, what the hell is this? Y'all see this? What the hell was that? Okay. Okay. What, dude? What? Did anyone else just see that? I just clicked Doge and like a little Doji dude came and danced. Reginald, what's going on, Reginald? Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. Man, I don't know if anyone was in here, but when that happened, but if you're not, or you just joined or whatever, scroll back like to, I don't know, around 18 minutes, maybe 17 minutes and 50 seconds. Right when I clicked Doge, let's see if it'll do it again. A little dancing Doge came out. That is some new shit there, TradingView. Let's see if it does it again. No, it didn't do it again, dude. I have never seen that. What the hell? Oh, good. Okay, so I'm not going crazy today. Okay, so yeah, what the shit, dude? Freaking dancing Doge. Okay. I'm not really sure how to take that one. I've never seen TradingView in the, I don't know, probably almost 10 years I've been using it. I've never seen anything like that. That is hilarious. I'm glad I got that on stream too. So that'll be recorded and be able to be played back. And if you don't know and you're new to the channel or whatever, these all do get uploaded to YouTube as well. Because I know sometimes it's just people prefer using the YouTube app and platform and whatever. I get it. I use it a lot as well. How can you not? But yeah, what the hell, man? So yeah, you can just go there and search No Noiz research and it'll pop up on the tubes. Anyway, back to price action with the dancing Doge. But we're building a shooting star Doji right now. So that's kind of interesting. What's going on there, Doge? 7-minute Doge chart is pretty useless. So let's zoom out a little bit. That's actually extremely useless. Almost everything below a daily on Doge is actually pretty useless. But yeah, what, man, what is this? What are we on? Bittrex? I'd have to switch over to Polo. Because I bet you Bittrex just doesn't have any volume anymore either because, they left the United States of America. Although Polo probably doesn't have too much either. I think we're gonna flip that right now. Let me change that right now because Bittrex, unfortunately, is kind of dead, which sucks, man. They were an OG in the space for a long time. Stupid American regs, man. All right, let's see here. We're gonna close out that one. All right, boom. Polo, we have upgraded. Oh no, wait! Except now my drawings. Oh no! Damn, I didn't even think about that till I erased it. Oh well, we'll make some new drawings, I guess. I'll have to just convert some of those over off stream. We are in a little trend line up here. It's okay, but again, we just need to stay above what is it, 666 area, so right there, and then we'll just kind of watch here. But yeah, little Doge dance for everyone. If y'all like that, that's pretty hilarious. Just grinding up though. Doge doesn't look too bad. Really would like to see it get over 8 cents. Man, maybe I should have just left the other one up there. Oh well. STX sideways is F. This will also get a vol flash this week if we don't move out of this little price range here of about freaking 3 pennies. Wow, cool. True is actually doing fairly well. Look at this. It is above its 55 EMA. It has not done that since all the way back over here in April. Okay. I like that. That's actually pretty damn sexy. And this could be a really sloppy H pattern. This thing gets back over like 4.5 cents. I think a shot to like mid fives easily is in the cards. And maybe beyond, although probably upper 5 cent handle is going to provide some really good resistance. Hey, look at this, guys. What? Let's go. XRD. Talking about getting in on this one last week. Hopefully, some people participated, but very nice little chart there. Sexy time. This is actually looking pretty damn good. Back in the blue box. This is confirming some low action. Somebody was sitting here scooping and not letting price get down. Nice hammer candle on Thursday. We were talking about this a lot last week. Here we go. This is from my buy right here. No, I'm just kidding. Just joking. So this looks pretty good. Really like this confirmation for this low. And I will add to this position as dips kind of happen here. V-Chain. Hey, look at this. Another vol flash getting a little follow through. This would be very lovely if we could close over both these EMAs. If that were to happen, I would look for bulls to kind of test up here between about 1.9 and about 2.1 on that. Adam. Yeah, sorry, that damn bug, dude. It just like takes your stomach and just like someone's just squeezing and twisting. It does not feel good. Let's see here. Just trying to tough it out. Barely holding on, getting that respect at 825, but kind of just whatever. And guess what? More vol flashes. This has a similar kind of structure as Radix. I actually might go nibble on this one after the stream because it's just easy management. That's like less than 3%. Easy risk defined, easy get out of there below this 44 cent range. Bye because that goes into black hole mode. Eventually, price discovery will just bottom out here, and we maybe won't go to black hole mode, and we'll get reversal mode to maybe test. Let's say like 4.8 to like 53-ish or something like that, and then kind of have to reassess from there. But this possibly could be a bottom here. Looks like somebody's trying to scoopity and not let this go below the 44-cent handle. So that is noteworthy there. Let's see. Taunt. Hey, look at Taunt. We are getting some pumpy McPumpsons here and there. So that's lovely hammer candle on Friday, how that finished out. Oh, and it did close above the bodies. We were talking about that on Friday. If we could get this candle, because it was like a little bit lackluster during the stream. It was like down here. But we did get it to close above the bodies. Very sexy and got immediate follow through. That ignited the bulls. They got a little girthy boner from that. And this actually has flipped to buy mode above 130. So not too bad. Maybe if you were a little bit looser on your risk, you could take like 125. But for me, I would not really like to see it go back below 130. Hey, look at this, y'all. Nice pulse chain reaction. Dipped. This is confirming that 500 level is very important. Bulls tried to get a open and close and get the Momo. I'm sorry. The Bears tried to get the Momo going to the downside. Immediate rejection. So the Bulls are confirming that $500 Satoshis. I'm not sure what we'll call that. but 500 on pulse chain is a decent base here. And again, if we kind of take a little bit of fibbies, we are back above the 382. That's sexy. And if we take just the bodies, we are back above the 618. So back in the upper 500s, like 580-ish, back above there will look really damn good. All right, let's go to traditional markets. Oh, why, hello. We're bouncing pretty hard. We almost got to the 55. We were only, what is that, 10, 15 points or something? Close is close enough. And how we were talking last week that, it's probably likely that we don't get to touch all the way if bulls are kind of strong, because there is and should be a lot of support here from just structure alone and this trend line. So this is a pretty good reaction from right here, and solidifying kind of that 45-ish 100 level. Let's see. We'll see how this closes. If this closes well above 45, maybe 45.10, and really above this little body battle over here at like 45.15, that would look pretty damn good. Love this. We did touch the 55 on NASDAQ. This is beautiful. If this closes like this is really a reaffirming that there is mega support for bulls in this zone. Oh, excuse me, in this zone. So that would be very sexy if this did engulf and close above this little swing candle at about 15.2. Dow hovering still upon the 21. Not too shabby, but very lackluster in price action. It's been pretty much sideways since the beginning of August. Russell pumping off of this low, double vol flashes on the bottom end of range. Let's go to the crack time frames. Y'all know 1900 was a real serious pivot point before. We barely got within about 5-10 points of it, and the bull said, suck it, let's ride. And they are flipping back around. Very nice 3-hour candle here. It is the first test of that range. But man, if this 3-hour here in 10 minutes closes above these bodies, that will put in a pretty nice low, not like all the way confirmation low, but definitely a little hint that this is just a liquidation break retesting previous structure. Dow Jones, the trannies even have vol flashes. Dude, there's vol flashes everywhere. Real sideways, but putting in a decent candle today so far. The DAX is hovering right above major support. Real sloppy ass chart here. Man, that's just ugly as hell. Almost best to just look at this on the weekly. Doji last week, right above the 15.7-ish area is fine. Nothing too crazy there. China is dumping here. That's interesting. Considering they're a pretty big economy, if you ever heard of China before. What is this crap, man? Losing 31.50. Uh-oh. We're just hovering right above it, though, right now. Let's see. Nothing really new on VIX. We didn't get the open and close. Look at this. Look how important 100 is. Look at that. Smack down one more again. Friday almost had it. End of the day, though. Nope. Just kidding. Still has this kind of like opening EMA posturing that's semi-bullish for VIX. That is kind of interesting. But till it really open and closes above 100, I don't really get too excited about that one. Oil still just kind of grinding out. It is going sideways through this trend line, this little Momo line. So maybe we're getting a little exhausted. And this tweezer top, as we talked about on Friday's stream, this tweezer top thing is a little bit nasty for continuation on the bulls. And for me, until this is cleared 84 again, this rally is probably iced up for just a little bit. Now, is it printing a decent candle right at this 82 structure, a little baby hammer? It is, but it's not even above the doji from Friday. So bulls got some work to do. It looks like this move might need a little bit more time just to digest before continuation. And we really got to see that 84 get cleared. Nat gas, immediate rejection. It does that on all these freaking pumps since back over here in March. Pumps, makes a new high, gets slapped. New high, slapped. New high, slapped. You get it. You get it. Or you're just getting slapped again. But is this a buy zone? Probably. This looks pretty good. We got a higher highs, higher lows, continuation to the upside. This is a pretty good looking chart above 260s. Not for bonds, though. They're still selling off. Dude, the rate hike must be real. We must be getting some more hike action. Look at this. We're at almost 420. Look, that's the resistance on yield is 420. Oh, God. It's so funny. The meme power is just ridiculous, man. Euro, whatever. It's okay above about 108. Not terrible. Gold 1942, taking it back to the war. We're not really doing shit here. And if we start hiking hard and more, I guess we've already hiked hard, but if we start hiking more, man, this is probably going to keep getting beat up. Major support at the upper 1800s, and y'all already know 2K on the upper end. Silver, this might print a little hammer. Would love to see it close above 2280, bouncing off of this 2240 level. But, on the backs of the hikes that the bonds look like they're pricing in, I'm not sure when the next meeting is. What is it? August? I don't think there's one this month. I think it's September is the next one. So that's still about a month away. But interesting. Trying to bounce and just chill in this range. Back below this 2220 area. Ew. Not good for the bulls. Platinum barely holding on. It has made a new low. Did that on Wednesday. Yeah, it's just not looking that great. Till it's back above 1950 in this structure, don't really care. Palladium, yeah, I mean, it's trying to base right here. You could essentially probably box this off. Something like that. And until it's ranging until it's out of that, because that is a pretty decent built structure there. GDX, not looking good, not giving support for the metals. And let's go to our blockchain index. Let's see, where is it? There it is. Yeah, just hovering right on this trend line, man. We get over 460 with this signal over here. Man, I think that could give us a pretty good upside run on Z crypto. Core is just chilling. It's okay above like 76. Below that, though. Watch it lay. All right, let's go to sector majors. Just kind of curious. Oh, we got tech. Tech is kind of up, but everything else is mostly down. Yeah, tech and semiconductors and miners. Sorry, miners. Energy's all at the top here. Yeah, nothing really definitive trend-wise today. Just kind of lollygagging for the most part. Weed stonks. Well, there you go. VFF continues to run. Is it getting exhausted? Yeah, probably. The 200's right above it. We almost touched it within about 10 cents. You can see the volumes tapering off today, too. So getting a little bit frothy. With Zine, which, holy shit, I almost bought this one last week. And obviously, I'm kicking myself in the face a little bit because, well, obviously, because it's up 282%. Hopefully, one of y'all got that. We were talking about weed stocks last week that they look like they're ready for some action, especially off the MJ chart. Let's go to that real quick. That's just the ETF, which it hasn't performed super well. And if it loses this 290 area, that trade will be botched. So be on the lookout for that if that does happen and you are participating in the reefer game. Tilray, though, looks real good above 220. I really like this chart above right in this area here at the top part of this gap at about 220. All right, I think that's it. Oh, yeah, UBS. Let's go to UBS. Let's see what Casey's talking about. Wow, gap up. This is blue sky mode or what? No, it's not. Oh, not even close. Oh, God. It's got the all-time high is 64. Wow, this has been sideways pretty much for freaking since the 08 crisis. All right, well, that's cool. I mean, not if you were holding it the whole time, but let's see. 2340, the stop loss at 2114, looking for 27. Let's see here. All right. I like the stop. That's a good stop. It's about where I would take. Let's see. We're above that, so that looks pretty good. Is that the highest of this structure? Yes, it is. Yeah, I don't hate that trade. I like that one. That's not too bad, man. Because this is like it's not blue sky technically, because it's not new highs, but it is kind of like mini blue sky because it hasn't been over this price in 15 years. So, oh, all right. Middle of this range here, and the top of that range, 2780 is probably a little, for me personally, is a little bit aggressive on that target just because there's lots of resistance at 20 upper 26, 27 flat. Just looking over here on the chart, looking left. But other than that, I do like that is a pretty good setup. Not too bad there. Casey son, appreciate you throwing that in there. 2-1. Hey, I likes it, man. I'm gonna have to go check. I don't know if you do stuff on the on TradingView, but I'm gonna go check your stuff out. Maybe let's go see. I'm clicking your name actually right now. No, he doesn't do nothing. He has nothing published. Nice, dude. Well, you got some. You got some. What the hell? Because some cool ideas, though, man. Maybe share them on your chart. I see that. Joined 3 years ago. You have posted nothing, and you follow nobody. Well, there's someone you should follow. No, I'm just kidding. No, don't do that. Yeah, you definitely need to, man. Why not? I didn't for like forever, man, or I didn't even. I'm still not super consistent, but I mean, I've been doing pretty good this year. But I've kind of posted on and off for the last, I don't know, 5 years or something like that. I need to use the My Ideas page a lot more. Those are static, and I love that you can't change them too. That's cool. So I've got not a whole lot on there, but I've got a few. Well, I have more than I thought I did, but whatever. Let's see here. I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go try to eat some bread and bananas or something to get something in my stomach. I haven't eaten in a few days because of that little stomach bug. Um, but yeah, I mean, nice reaction. I like the total market cap bounce after this. Vol flashes everywhere is the theme of this video. Between that and the hash ribbon buy signal, those two things I believe are very good for the bulls. And the only way I change my mind is below 28,000 on BTC. There does seem to be just massive momentum just being compressed. Just, it's not, I guess, is that the way to say it? No, that kind of sounded dumb. There's just massive compression leading to probably some very large momentum coming to a chart near you very soon. I do think, like we talked about last week, it does seem and feel like it's going to be this month sometime before the end of the month. So let's see if that comes true with all these vol flashes just popping up all over the place and even getting one on the weekly Ethereum. It actually hasn't officially printed yet because this is for this week. So obviously that's got 6.5 days left. But regardless, still very interesting. And we'll follow up on everything on Hump Day for Wednesday morning. So very much appreciated for y'all showing up. Thanks, Casey, for throwing in your UBS trade. And also seeing that dancing Doge. I'm probably going to clip that out of the stream here in a little bit because that was hilarious. I'm going to share that with some friends. And maybe eventually I'll get the Telegram channel up or something like that so we can kind of hang out and chat outside of this because the DMs and stuff and the chatting on here isn't super great, and it'd be better to have everybody kind of together, I think, that would like to join. So maybe I'll do that today. I got a little bit of free time today, and I prefer Telegram. I know everybody uses Discord and stuff, but Telegram's so lightweight and just nice. It's my favorite one. Discord's it's a little much. Oh, you're very welcome, Casey Lewis. For sure, man. We'll see you on Wednesday. To everybody else, also have a great day. Happy Monday. We're getting a little bit of pumpage today. And 28K, nothing's different about the major ranges. The only difference is we got a buy signal, and these freaking HV signals are just getting sprinkled all over the place. Until Wednesday morning, my friends, much love. This has been No Noiz. I am Z Rex. Peace.